What's the meaning of clench? Clench. Clench.
Clench. Clench. The word clench means to tightly grip or squeeze something, often with force. The result of clenching can vary depending on what is being clenched. If someone clenches their fists, it typically indicates anger, frustration, or determination. Clenching teeth often indicates stress or anxiety. When someone clenches their muscles, it can signify physical exertion or tension. Overall, clenching refers to a strong and deliberate action of tightening one's body or an object with force.